Fabulous people, welcome to the channel for all the babes who create their own life trends. Lately, a lot of you reached out asking me to share how to pack for Italy in winter, as well as to give you some outfit ideas for Italy. I know packing for Italy, especially winter packing, can be challenging as the temperature in Italy varies drastically from north to south. Plus, you want to be comfortable yet at the same time look put together. So today, I will share with you 9 essential items you should pack for Italy in winter, as well as 9 stylish yet super comfortable winter outfits that you can easily take from day to night. As a personal stylist in Rome, Italy, I help hundreds of clients from all over the world to get ready for their trips to Italy. And in this video, I will share with you my top Italian fashion tips so you can make the most out of your capsule wardrobe for Italy. Now, before we begin, please remember to smack that like button. And if you're new to my channel and my vibe, and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe. All right, fabulous people, now let's get dressed. First item that is on my list is a cashmere sweater. I personally believe in quality over quantity, and I do invest in a few timeless pieces, and of course cashmere sweaters are one of those pieces. This has been my motto even when I was a student, and believe it or not, I still have items in my closet that are over 15 years old and they still look brand new. So I strongly recommend packing some cashmere sweaters for Italy. And the great thing about cashmere sweaters is that if you take good care of them, they will last you for decades and they will look and feel on your body like they're brand new. No matter which style of the cashmere sweater you will choose, be it a turtleneck, which I love so much, a V-cut, a round neck, they will look extremely chic, will keep you warm, and will go pretty much with anything. The next item that is on my list is a pair of pants. And for this look, I combined a cashmere sweater with a pair of pants so you can see how you combine it together. Of course, play with different textures, make sure that you tuck it in on one side or in the middle. Make sure that your sweater is not just hanging on you so it doesn't just make and create that square silhouette. So of course, play with it. And yes, fabulous people, I do recommend to substitute a pair of jeans for a pair of pants because you're on vacation in Italy, the country that breathes beauty and elegance. So let's just put a pair of jeans to the side just for a few days and let's wear your cashmere sweaters with a nice pair of pants, blazers. Now, fabulous people, you know I'm a big believer in layering, especially in winter, and a nice blazer will always add another dimension to your outfit and it will help you to easily transition from the daytime when the temperatures are higher to the nighttime when the temperatures tend to drop drastically. You can go for a blazer of any color. It can be a neutral one as it will go with more outfits, or you can play around a little bit and go for a colorful one like the one I have in vibrant rose violet, which is a trending color of winter 2024. Now, I recommend to take it one step further and choose a blazer that has multiple functions. Now, what do I mean by that? I can wear my blazer with a pair of pants, for example, and then turn it around and wear it as a dress in the evening time. This way, if you have limited amount of space in your suitcase, which is most of us, you will get 2 functions out of 1 item. Now, as I have started preparing a lot of my clients for their trips to Italy this year, the most common question that I get asked is, Anastasia, what is one outfit that I can put easily together when I wake up in the morning in Italy and I just don't have time to prepare and I don't know what to wear? Of course, for the specific ones, I go through clients' closet and together we create some effortlessly chic, comfortable outfits for them. But if you want to just have one look that will never fail you, no matter when you plan or where you plan on doing Italy travel, be it Rome, Venice, Florence, Milan, is a monochrome look with a pair of pants or jeans and a sweater. And then you throw an oversized blazer on top. You can even grab your men's blazer. This way you can use one for both of you during vacation. Another small packing hack to make double use of what you pack for Italy. Add a pair of sneakers for the day and then you can change it for a pair of boots in the evening time. This way you can effortlessly take your outfit from day to night. And yes, fabulous people, you can combine a pair of tennis shoes with a nice long wool coat. It will give your outfit a touch of unpredictability and a bit of spice. This is the look that I call when you don't know what to wear, wear this. If you ask me how to dress like an Italian woman and show you one outfit, just one outfit, this is the look that you will see the most in Italy. Now, the next item that is on my list is a skirt. Maybe you're not a big fan of pants or jeans and you want to wear skirts in Italy. I got you, fabulous. Here is one of my favorite outfits with a skirt for winter in Italy. Now you can wear your cashmere sweaters with a skirt or cable knit sweaters with a pair of pants. Make sure that everything in your winter capsule wardrobe for Italy is interchangeable. This will save you so much time in the mornings when you will be ready to head out for the day. Now, if you want to take your Italian fashion game to the next level, then I recommend wearing a winter white jumpsuit that you can easily combine with a cashmere sweater underneath. Now, I know jumpsuits are not the most comfortable thing for us ladies in certain situations, but if you want to go all out and wear something that you might necessarily not even wear back home, that jumpsuits are the thing. Trust me, ladies. And of course, you can play with it. You can roll up the sleeves. You can roll up the pants, add some accessories like a nice fun belt or a scarf. There are just so many things that you can do with the jumpsuit. And then to transition this look from day to night, you can leave your tennis shoes back in the hotel or Airbnb, wear a pair of boots or even nice pair of shoes, and you're good to go. Dresses, my favorite thing in the world to wear, except for the swimsuits. Now, of course, you cannot wear a swimsuit during the winter, so we are going to be just talking about dresses. Now, you cannot go wrong in Italy with wearing a dress, be it a daytime or an evening time. Now, if you ask me what kind of dresses, Anastasia, it will all depend, of course, on the occasion. If you're going to a nice restaurant or a local trattoria, maybe a theater or a lounge, but you cannot go wrong in Italy by wearing a nice black dress, especially for the evening. It will go pretty much for any occasion. Now, I do recommend to throw a blazer on top just to make an outfit more interesting. Change your day bag for a clutch in the evening time, add a block heel, throw on a coat, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the most essential item to wear in Italy during your Italy travel, no matter which region in Italy you plan on visiting during the winter. And that is a nice wool coat. A nice wool coat is an absolute must in Italy, and it will be a great addition to any of your winter outfit. Now, if you're not a big fan of wool coats or coats in general, then a nice puffer jacket will be a great substitute. As far as shoes for winter in Italy, I would pack a pair of boots. Now, ankle boots or knee-high boots, that is completely up to you as long as they're comfortable. In addition to that, make sure to pack a pair of sneakers, not the sneakers that you would wear in the gym, but a walking sneakers, a walking pair of sneakers. And of course, for the evening time, if you plan on going to a fancier restaurant or maybe a theater or a lounge, a nice pair of block heels. Finally, do not forget accessories. Italians are huge on accessories and they know how to combine them well with the rest of the outfit. So make sure to bring gloves, hats, scarves, belts, and know how to combine them well with the overall outfit. And mainly, fabulous, do not forget, when you're in Italy, enjoy dressing up, enjoy bella figura, and have fun with it. All right, fabulous. Thank you so much for watching this video on what to pack for Italy in winter. I truly hope that you got lots of useful packing tips and outfit ideas and inspiration. So now you know exactly what to wear in Italy. Now, before you go and start packing for your trip, please remember to smack that like button. And if you're new to my channel and my vibe and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe. And I truly hope to see you all in my next video.